Hi and welcome to your Pilates by Lisa Glow stretch routine. Now this is a nice, simple and effective stretching routine to end the week with. So we're going to come all the way down onto our back and onto the mat, just laying down, relaxing, just melting your body down into the mat. And we're going to start with a nice hip stretch that we did in one of the leg workouts. We're going to cross our right leg over our left leg directly. Okay, so the knees should be pretty much in line with one another. Flex both feet, this protects the knee joint, and you're going to bring your legs in towards you and gently stretch and open up through that hip. Now I really like this stretch, and I like to include it a lot because it is a great stretch, the number one stretch for relief of sciatic pain. And that is such a common ailment. So many of our members, write to me and tell me about their sciatic pain and their lower back pain, and this gives you immediate relief. It takes that pressure off that sciatic nerve. So this is a really great go-to stretch to release tension in that area. Even if you don't have sciatic pain, this is good prevention. Let's change sides with that. So you cross the left leg over the right, flex the feet, and just pull that leg in and stretch out through the glute. Releasing and opening, flexing the feet, just going to where you feel comfortable, hugging those knees in. Now we're going to keep this same position, just lower that bottom foot down, reach the arms out to the sides, and you're going to keep that left leg on top and twist to the left. So you're reaching that right knee over towards the ground and getting a beautiful stretch through the entire body, twisting the spine, opening the chest, stretching out the hip. Just a really nice feel-good stretch routine. Now come back to the center, cross the right leg on top of the left once again, and then gently guide the left leg over towards the right, opening, twisting, and stretching. Just come back to the center, hug your knees in towards your chest, and just make nice small circles with the lower back. So this is one of my favorite. It's actually a yoga pose, but it's a great stretch for the hips. Hold on wherever you can, whether it's the ankles or the outside of the feet, and you're just going to lift your feet directly above your knees. Your knees are just outside of the shoulders, and you're just going to rock from side to side. Happy baby. So it's a nice stretch to release the hips. It's a natural stretch. Was really amazed that my daughter actually did this when she was a baby. It's not just an ironic name, it really is what happy babies do. So it's a very instinctual stretch. Now we're just going to lower the left leg down. We're going to hug the right knee in towards the shoulder and stretch your left leg nice and long along the ground for a nice hip flexor stretch. And then turn that into a hamstring stretch. You can bend through that opposite leg if you need to. Otherwise, just stretch the leg nice and long, lengthening out, keeping the heels softly turned in, stretching through the back of the leg. Relax through those shoulders. Really stretch that leg out. And let's change sides, stretch that leg along the ground, draw the knee in, release the hip. It's a really nice short and sharp go-to stretch. You just want something nice and calm, laying on the ground, but doing your body lots of good and stretching out through the back, the hips, opening through the entire body. Stretch the leg towards the ceiling. You can bend that knee if you need to. Now when you're ready, just bend through that leg, hug those knees in towards you, release, massage and lengthen through the lower back. And well done, you just completed a really nice, good for you glow stretch.